Rotation ba para magkakaroon kayo or something? Sa table ba yun?
Although hindi yung pinaka-heavy but
right.
They have this documentation. Pero hindi na light way naman.
How was it working
Gamitin ko yung term na ginagawa actually eliminate. But nagkaroon lang ng rethinking na baka may eliminate. Pero hindi, this is one considering lahat ng mga trabaho lang. This one more the most focused well prepared. Alam mo na
right. Wow, wow. Well, good job. Good job, Jisoo. Most focused. Follow up ni Romel and Jeffrey Perdon of Kapamilya Online World for Alexa. Is this your first time to portray a character similar to being a mother in a project? And what were your preparations?
I think it is my first.
Right.
Because I've done a little more mature roles, like sa ugali-wise mature, but ngayon lang po yung sort of mother guardian type. My preparation, well, ang una po kasi character ni Sally, ayaw talaga niya. Sungit, mainit ang ulo palagi, medyo relate naman ako doon sa hindi, joke lang. Pero it wasn't that hard for me din naman po to prepare. Kasi as the days would go by, mas napapalapit din ako kay Riley. So the relationship, how it grew, how we bonded, it was very natural and it just really happened. And sobrang denied lang din ako ni Derek na yung maibigay ko, yung natural lang, yung normal lang, kasi overthinker ko on his side. So doon ako tinulungan ni Derek na maibigay ko yung best ko. And hopefully, lumabas siya, and hopefully yun din po yung makita ng mga tao pag nanood sila.
Thank you, Alexa. We're talking about yung actor-actor relationship. No? Direct, ito yung next question from Jeffrey. How was it naman directing a Korean actor?
It wasn't hard at all. Kasi what I love about Kim Jisoo, kasi nga din, sinuportan niya ng mga cast that he's really focused and prepared. Ito, seryoso, table reading pa lang namin. Memorize yung lines. Samantalang sila naka-script kami. Pero siya, memorize ka. Parang, uy, relax ka lang. Table reading pa lang to. Pero siya, all out na kaagad. So medyo na-pressure kami na, uy, ganyan yun. But yeah, it was very collaborative. Yung ginawa namin yung script, it was almost 80% done. But when he entered the picture, he supplied a lot of information about the Korean culture and suggestions also in terms of perspective. So we had to revise it also based on his experience kasi we wanted it to be very authentic and he really helped us so much.
Saka ang gusto nga niya ipalabas na parang in a positive way.
Yes.
Kasi nga, napapasa daw niya sa documentaries that the Popino is somewhat showcased in a negative way.
Correct.
And he wanted it in positive, right?
Yes.
Alright. Next, from Marlu Herrero of Tatak Manila for Rufa May.
Yes!
Ito na. How did you attack the role? Since this is a special participation. Teka lang, makinig ka muna sa tanong. How did you attack your role? Since this is a special participation role, you still managed to regular yourself in the movie.
I attack myself. Yes, yun lang. Hindi, gusto ko lang pa siya. Kim, where's your watch? The birthday. Yung day we need to be remembered, dahil day, hindi ko po kinuha. Pero ngayon babalik ko na siya, kukunin ko na. Next time I will get it. So I attack, ito na-attack ko kay friendship.
Okay.
Kaya ko naman si Derek favorite ako, kaya yun din talaga dahilan.
Pero special participation ka nga lang ba
Oo,
dito?
kasi hindi niya kaya. Tapos niya ako from Comedy Island, last one laughing. So ngayon, gusto niya kasama ko sila. Lahat naman, hindi kasi naging bandingan kami, kaya siningin ko talaga ang attack.
Pero ibang Rufa May pa makikita namin dito.
Ano kasi sabihin ko na ba? Okay na. Di ba ba alam na nila agad? Hindi kasi po ang role ko, nakakalimutan ko pangalan niya lagi. Kaya yun yung comedy doon, yung hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino siya.
Sino?
Si...
Pinuno.
Riley. Alam ko na kasi
eksena mo?
Hindi siya.
Lahat?
Oo, ito.
Sino paborito mong ka-eksena sa lahat?
Siyempre si King Cage.
Ah!
Siyempre si Fred. Matagal na kami nagkakilala.
Oo.
Siya na yung papel. Yes, si Mark siyempre writer na.
Oo. Hindi, si Jisoo, ano pa ka-eksena ninyo?
Kasi
Without
gusto ko
spoiling.
hindi magiging favorite siya. Pag nakita ko sabi nga namin ni Kai Cortez, marami si Kai mo, matikas.
Ay.
Totoo naman, di ba?
Oo.
Oo, yan, hindi na naiintindihan. O, ano yung matikas?
Okay.
No, I just say you're very, matikas nga.
Ano ba yung matikas sa English?
In a nice way, baka. Ano ba yun? Who's that? Your translator. Your BI line. Baka finding the tax niya. Ha? Yeah, what's a handsome?
Pero ba nakakalam ng matikas sa English? Parang ganun na. Debonair.
Debonair, oh. Spell.
Oh,
Hirap. Basta is very dashing debonair.
Dashing.
Very hot.
Yan.
Everything positive.
Yeah.
Just for the watch.
Okay, thank you, Ruka
So
May.
please watch October 9.
Okay.
Give me the watch, I'll watch for you.
Ang next question ni Marlo is for Ryrie. Ryrie, could you briefly tell us how similar your role is to your real self? Kapareho ba?
Short.
Makulit. Wow!
Tanong niya.
Pero Ryrie, ang sabi kanina, ikaw ang minimiss you ng Cavite, tama ba? Oo, minimiss you. So ito yung first TV project ni Ryrie. Film. So first movie project ni Ryrie. Wow! Ano pakiramdam? May pelikula ka na, ikaw pa yung bida. Happy naman. Wow, of course. Next, si Bernard Santos may question from My Movie World for Alexa. Do you see your younger self in Ryrie? Since both of you started as child stars, and what do you think sets Ryrie apart from other child stars in the industry?
Well, I haven't really worked with a lot of other child stars ngayon. Pero meron po kaming similarities, pero madami din kaming differences. Kasi nung bata po ako, mas reserved, I would say. I was a bit more reserved. Pero kagaya ni Ryrie, very bibo. Kapag naman pinakanta, pinasayaw, game na game naman, parang gano'n. Gano'n din po si Ryrie. Siya yung parang nagpapahappy talaga sa buong set, kakanta siya, sasayaw
Pero
siya.
mukha siya mahiyain now.
Siguro po syempre, it's a bit overwhelming to be in front of so
Right.
many people. So I'm sure may nerves din kahit pa paano. Pero cool lang yan. Chill ka, di ba?
Chill.
Chill. Kilay-kilay lang yung tumataas. Pero what I really like about Ryrie is her professionalism. Because as a kid, of course, napapagod siya. Right away, kids nap. Kids need to nap, di ba? Or may yung attention span. But ang maganda pa kay Ryrie is napagsasabihan. She learns when you talk to her. And yun nga, yung professionalism po niya, parang naiintindihan niya. She's very matured for her age. Kung paano siya makipag-usap sa amin.
How old is Ryrie?
Six.
Six.
He's six. When I was her age, hindi pa po ako sumanang sa showbiz. More on commercials din po ako. So, that's a totally different world. Pero sobrang nakaka-proud si Ryrie. Sabi ko nga, patuloy lang siyang kasain at alagaan. Siyempre to keep her on the ground and matutong gumalang sa mga iba. She will make it really, really fun.
Wow! Well, good luck, Ryrie, sa iyong first movie project. Ito, simulan na natin yung Q&A with our friends from the press here. Start with Tita Aster. Aster ko na muna magtanong.